Now I've got with me Vaishali Parkar Kumar over here, the managing director of Rosemug Limited. First of all, thank you, ma'am, for being over here. So, how would you define Rosemug, and what has been the vision of Rosemug when it comes to this Rosemug and MPL?
Good evening. It is always pleasure to be here. So Rosemark Limited is a Bombay Stock Exchange listed company, and we are present into AI agnostic sectors like sports, event, fashion. So in sports, we all know that cricket is a religion in India, and nothing can beat cricket in sports at least. So at last 3 years ago, when this opportunity came to be a partner with NMPL, we were very sure that we want to get with NMPL. So there were two reasons. One was it was a commercial league. Second, which was very interesting, that in NMPL they were taking local talent, so that the local talent coming from Panvel and Raigad, they are getting a platform, and it is like they are getting an infrastructure. We have seen Ayush Mhatre playing last year from NMPL, and this year he was got selected in IPL's franchisee Chennai Super King. So, and we have seen that this year for NMPL there are 8 players who are playing from under 19 cricket, and they have there could be a chance that next year maybe they can get selected in one of the IPL franchise or maybe India main team. So it is very exciting to see a value creation the way NMPL is growing. Secondly, we are very focused that what we do in sport, apart from NMPL, there are other sports where we are present in. So we want to create a commercial value from all the sports where we are present in, which should get commercially viable, so that everyone can get opportunity and get benefited out of it. So we are supporting two-time national champion Rahi Pakhle in trampoline gymnastics. We are supporting mud wrestling. We are also supporting SPG's Shivaji Park Gymkhana, where they have created a cricket academy called Shivaji Park Gymkhana Rosemark Cricket Academy, where we are funding 48 students for next 3 years. And there who is training them, none other than Mr. Praveen Ambre sir. So it is like there is a opportunity, so that some people from some players from that particular cricket academy can have a chance to go into a commercial cricket in IPL, MPL, or maybe India main team. So we can understand the value creation opportunity one can have. Apart, this is only about the commercial, what I'm talking about right now, but we are also supporting social cause. Like we are supporting wheelchair cricket, where the passion and the commitment they have on the ground, it is amazing, and very few people are supporting them. So we feel very proud and blessed that we are among them who support wheelchair cricket as well. So, so I can go on and on about the sports and what we are doing. But this is something, again, India is like a growing country with young population. So, and we have seen over a period of time the way sport has grown. So we are very happy to be a part of it. We are among few listed companies who are in sport, and they are doing very well in across different sports. One more thing, I'm sorry, which is like one more thing, like we are very happy the way Rajasthan Royal is doing in IPL. Yes. You know why? Because Riyan Parag, who is captain of Rajasthan Royals, he is a brand ambassador of Rosemark. Also, Riyan Parag and Dhruv Jurel are the esteemed shareholders of Rosemark. So you can imagine those players, those sports people who are coming from sports, and they believe in you, and they invest in you. It's something very important, and that gives us a more proud, and that gives us a trust that what we are doing, it is going in a right direction. So it is like only not we are listed company. We are responsible as well as accountable for our shareholder, our stakeholders. So we are committed to create long-term, financial, long-term value chain and long-term value creation for all our stakeholders. This is only in cricket. So we are also into different all other industries, like and especially into AI agnostic sectors. We want to present especially into AI agnostic because that those sectors are human centric, and it cannot be replaced by any machine. So we are present in events, we are present in fashion, we are doing great in those sectors, and it is like we are creating a value. We are a young company, and we the immense potential we have in all the sectors where we are present. It's great.
That's really nice. And how do you see NMPL fitting in Rosemark's overall strategy?
It's very much fit into Rosemark's long-term growth strategy. We all know that NMPL is among the few leagues which has been approved by Mumbai Cricket Association. That itself talks large and big about NMPL. Apart from that, there are very few leagues which has been completed 4 seasons consecutively. It talks a lot about the consistency and the commitment of NMPL. We are very happy the way players are playing, the way professional player wants to play in NMPL. They feel like NMPL is a stepping stone in their career. So which also talks high about NMPL and the raised brand value of NMPL. And what is more exciting is to see the growing interest of sponsors. This time we have 5-6 sponsors, like Srimad Bhagwat is there, Sarva Mangal Asset Management is there. There are 3 companies from BSE listed, like Shukra Pharma, Jojo, and Monarch. Of course, Monarch Capital. It's one of the biggest capital market company. Secondly, there is very exciting is that there is a company from US called Zest. It is also interested in NMPL. What it talks the market acceptability of NMPL. So when we compare NMPL as a professional league with other professional leagues like IPL and MPL, the way valuation of IPL has grown year by year, we have seen, and right now the valuation is hovering at $18.5 billion. So one can imagine, and we see a huge value creation potential in NMPL as well.
That's really nice. You've been creating a lot of values and giving an opportunity for these grassroots levels. One last question: is NMPL going to be restricted in Mumbai or Maharashtra, or it's going to travel out of this state also?
I think that this particular question one should ask to the management team, but we would like to take NMPL to the world, but I think this question is I will leave it to the management.
Thank you for talking to us. Over to Combox.